How are we today, guys? So we are going to change the wheel bearing out on the HHR today, and hopefully I'm not mess anything up. It actually took me a couple different wheel bearings to get it right because I ordered the wrong one twice, but got the right one now. We're gonna get this one installed, and it's just gonna be me and my uncle kind of going through the motions. Towards you, right?
Yes. Lift up.
Oh, it was so easy. I used fucking a regular ratchet before.
Way too hard.
Also, that's rusting internally.
I'll oil it.
Because rust is on the bottom. Do we need to use this one still?
No, you can stick a ratchet on that.
Can we?
Yeah. Probably one of the actual ratchets, right?
Yeah.
As much about their tools as you do.
Oh no, I don't mind. I'll let it get marred up. That's what it's for.
But you smash it in the right direction. Yeah, so up. And you can cause the jarring. No, hold it.
Fuck that. I'm not holding it while I hit it. So I can what? Hit my hand?
Hold on to that. That's going to fall. It's heavy. Pull straight off. That's not rubbed by the pad, so you always have to pull it over that.
Ugh. That's what we're replacing?
Yes.
That?
Yep.
All of this? For this?
Yep.
God damn. Where's the fucking... That's not happening. Wait, those are coming out.
There's a way. We might have to look it up, but there's a way. You don't have to use the front of the hammer. There, see it's all loose? Pushes back and forth now.
It's not even cracked back here.
No, but you might have to hit it flat on. If you hit it on the top part, the bottom part's going to want to pop out. Now hit it on the bottom. Now the top. Now the bottom. Like you would a stuck tire, and then you hit it around the outside, like sideways.
I keep hitting the studs.
No, sideways. That's the front. No.
What are you talking about?
Hit the side of the...
Oh.
Yeah, I mean like straight down, straight sideways, right? Not like inwards. Because this side's already coming out.
How can you tell?
Check that.
Oh, okay, it's moving.
You might want to wash that up with paper.
It's fucked now.
This is your ABS sensor here.
So what the fuck is this? Well, it's fucked. It's all bent.
No, this formed. I was just hammering in the top, and then the bottom comes out.
I was just gonna do the same thing.
Yeah, just do it at the top, though. Continue to push it through, and then it'll squeeze it thinner. Just don't puncture your boot.
How do I know if I did that?
That's that rubber thing behind. If you slip, and it goes through stuff, then it'll be a problem. Till then, not really an issue. But don't hammer the back end. The bottom's supposed to come forward.
I'm so uncoordinated.
So I don't know if you, there you go, you got it. Now bring that forward. It has to come out the front.
I need my tin snips.
Yeah, it can't just stay around your boot.
I'm gonna have to snip.
That's fine.
You can't cut that. There you go, you piece of garbage.
Hey guys, just wanted to thank you guys for sticking through this one and let you know that the next few are going to be quite a bit messy. I'm still trying to get my editing down, but I will get it flat. Thanks for checking in.